Welcome back to another episode of Schmoop's Adventures. In the previous episode, we had an amazing day exploring the beaches here on Curacao.
That's right, our tour guide Brian from Samurai Tours gave us the best experience we could ask for. So our tour is over with him. He dropped us off in downtown Curacao. We are in the middle of Otrobanda at the Riff Fort, and we're gonna walk around and show you what there is to see down here. Now we're completely new to this area, so you're gonna figure it out with us. Built in 1829 under the direction of King William, the Riff Fort was fortified with 56 cannons to protect St. Anna Bay from pirates. So this was a real fort back in the day, used to protect the harbor, but it's been converted. It's all restaurants and shops now, and wow, it looks really cool.
Very cool.
Very fancy. Nice Italian restaurant, dive and snorkel shop over there.
Very nice.
Yeah. We absolutely love all the wonderful colors of Curacao. This is the most colorful island we've been on.
I loved Aruba, but so far Curacao, I loved Aruba, but so far Curacao has taken my breath away. This is an amazing island.
So from up here, this is probably the best spot in the Riff Fort for a view. But Jennifer's not comfortable with the heights. One of the things that you have to do when you're here on the ABC Islands is try the Dutch pancakes.
Which we have not done yet. I think we need to do that.
Yeah, we're gonna have to get the Dutch pancakes.
Candy, because who doesn't like candy?
That's right. And you'll see the word douchey a lot down here.
It's sweet.
It means
nice,
sweet in
candy is douchey.
the local Papiamento language, I suppose. But yeah, douchey is sweet. That's not what it means. Not the same meaning as the United States.
Because who doesn't love candy?
Right.
Especially chocolate. Especially a nice piece of dark chocolate.
We're walking up the old fort wall to get a view of the harbor. Like they want to make sure your kids don't fall out.
This is to look for pirates. This is to make sure the pirates. Wow, how beautiful.
Oh yeah, you can see all the colorful architecture and the
water.
Queen Emma swinging bridge.
Absolutely beautiful.
Good view from there.
Yeah, this island is just gorgeous.
So that was all the Riff Fort. It wasn't a whole lot in there. A bunch of shops and a couple of restaurants, as you saw, and some really good viewpoints. But you come out right into the harbor. Beautiful palm trees. Yeah, it's a wonderful harbor. We came in here last night. There's more of the fort wall over there. But yeah, we came in here last night, and the bridge swings open. It's the Queen Emma Bridge, also known as the Swinging Old Lady. So that bridge swung open for our boat to come in. We're on the Star Pride of the Windstar line, and it was a pretty cool experience. So let's go walk across the Swinging Old Lady. We got some souvenir shops. And incidentally, tonight is it's Carnival celebration, so you see a lot of stuff going on with the bike rails and everything. They're setting up for the parade later. I don't think we'll be down here for that, but we will enjoy it from the deck of the ship, I suppose.
I'm not big on crowds. So we are on the Queen Emma Bridge here.
Yeah, the famous Swinging Old Lady Queen Emma
so
Bridge.
Cool.
It's actually floating on these pontoons. the whole thing swings open. There's a motor on one end, and when it's open, if you need to cross, there's a ferry that takes you across, so you don't have to wait for it. And you'll hear a bell ring when it's about to open, so that's cool. And if you've ever watched any other video about Curacao, you already know that.
Yes. This is cool.
Very cool.
Blue moon, kinda mysterious, shaded with someone I'm not really into. Do you need to fix it? Talking bullshit. It's hard to see you when your eyes look dull. Who's gonna save you? Who's gonna make you not blue?
So now on this side of the bridge, we're in Punda. Punda is the side that has all the really cool architecture with the different colors and everything. It's beautiful. So one of the things on Punda is the Punda hearts, the Punda love hearts. So it's tradition to come by here and put a lock on the hearts. So guess what? We have a lock. Schmoop's Adventures. So let's find a good spot to lock our love. Let's go around the backside. It's so full. But what we can do, wow, these things are really full.
It's the season.
All right, so we'll just put our lock right here. Lock it down. Schmoop's Adventures is right there. If you come to Curacao, check it out. Make sure you find our...
And tag us in it.
Yeah, there's our lock. And then we take the key, toss it in the river. Our love is locked forever. Mwah. Can't get over how awesome those colorful buildings are.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. There's the Windstar ship that we're on, and that is the Queen Juliana Bridge, and that is the highest bridge in the Caribbean, 185 feet above sea level. So this is the Matthew Wharf, and right off of the Matthew Wharf is this little canal where they have the boats from Venezuela come over and set up a floating market. Clearly the market is closed at the moment, but this is where they would be set up, and the boats come over from Venezuela and sell their wares, their fruits and vegetables and seafood. Rock and roll birdies. That's right, Carnival is tonight. Oh, look at these guys. Our SD card is getting full, so you guys aren't going to be with us too much longer. But yeah, downtown Curacao, it's not as much going on as I thought in Punda.
In a few hours it's going to be...
Yeah, in a few hours there's going to be a lot going on with the Carnival.
Yeah.
They had the bike rails and everything set up. It looks like a lot's closed today.
It is Sunday.
It's Sunday, and there's our cruise ship, which has 140 cabins. And then there's one other one, which is it's also a small cruise line. So there's, they're not going to open. Plus, being Sunday and Carnival tonight, yeah, you're not going to see shops open.
Everybody's getting ready for the party tonight.
So we were actually in the Breitling store yesterday in Aruba, and here Breitling's got their name on the clock.
It looks like the watch I tried on, except
Yeah.
it's turquoise and white.
Yeah, I usually wear a Breitling, so I like the brand. Oh. And back across the Queen Emma Bridge. So I guess the Carnival parade is coming right through here. and ending right about where our ship is. So definitely want to be back before that. We're gonna go find a Chi-Chi for you. You'll see. I had to stop and show you guys. Look at this place, the Ocean House. Look how beautiful this is. Wow. You guys have a beautiful place. I love this. Look at this view.
This water is just...
You're enjoying yourself.
Speechless. It's so pretty.
Let's go back through that beautiful bar.
Beautiful.
I tried to tell them they had a beautiful place, but they're very distracted. They didn't even know we walked in there.
They're getting ready for their dinner rush.
They're getting ready, yes indeed.
For their carnival dinner rush. So before we walked into that bar, Eric mentioned Chi-Chi here. So Chi-Chi meaning big sister.
That's right. In the Curacao language, Chi-Chi means big sister, and you'll see this voluptuous woman in her colorful garb known as the Chi-Chi.
Big sister Chi-Chi.
So you come to Curacao, get you some Chi-Chi. Chi-Chi in Mexican means something different. We need some mujeres. If you want to get you some Chi-Chis, you might get slapped asking for that.
Yeah.
So, hey guys, I know this has probably been a short video, but we're going to get back on our boat and get ready for dinner and whatnot. We've just had a good time walking around downtown Curacao. I hope you did too. And keep in mind, we got a Patreon page, our Amazon affiliate page. The link will be in the description. Like this video, subscribe to our content if you want to see more, and I hope you enjoyed our day on Curacao.
See you in the next episode.